Hello, fellow baking enthusiasts. Welcome to a world where flour, sugar, and creativity come together to create magic. Have you ever dreamt of creating beautiful, delicious cakes that not only taste amazing, but also look like works of art? Those dreams can come true with the help of Chef Keiko and her comprehensive online cake-making membership. Keiko is a true pastry master with years of experience creating stunning cakes and desserts that leave a lasting impression. Her passion for baking shines through in her detailed teaching style, making complex techniques easy to understand. She wants to share her extensive knowledge and passion with you, helping you achieve your baking dreams. Keiko believes anyone can learn to bake, from complete beginners to seasoned bakers looking to refine their skills. That's why she created this membership site, a community where everyone can grow and learn together. It's a place to learn at your own pace and gain the skills to create show-stopping cakes that will wow your friends and family. Keiko will be with you every step of the way, offering personalized guidance and support to ensure your success. Are you ready to begin this exciting baking journey and transform your kitchen into a bakery of dreams? Let's explore what awaits you inside Keiko's online membership. Imagine having access to over 400 cake and dessert guides, all in one place. From the simplest cookies to the most elaborate wedding cakes, there's something for every skill level and occasion. Whether you're craving a classic chocolate cake or a delicate fruit tart, Keiko has a recipe for you. Each recipe is designed to bring out the best flavors and textures. Each guide is meticulously crafted with easy-to-follow instructions. You'll find step-by-step photos and tips to ensure your success. But it's not just about recipes, it's about technique. Mastering the art of baking requires understanding the fundamentals. Keiko provides detailed video tutorials for every recipe. These videos break down complex techniques into simple, manageable steps. You'll see exactly how to achieve the perfect consistency for your batter, ensuring your cakes rise beautifully every time. How to frost a cake smoothly, creating a flawless finish that looks as good as it tastes. And even how to create intricate decorations. From simple piping to advanced sugar work, you'll learn it all. These videos are like having Keiko right there in your kitchen with you. With her guidance, you'll gain confidence and skill, transforming your baking from good to extraordinary. Keiko's membership caters to all skill levels with 3 tiers: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. Just starting out? The beginner tier is perfect. It focuses on fundamental skills and simple, delicious recipes to build your confidence. Ready for a challenge? The intermediate tier introduces more complex techniques and recipes, like layered cakes and sculpted designs. For the experienced baker, the advanced tier delves into intricate sugar work, advanced decorating techniques, and show-stopping creations. You can choose the tier that suits you best and progress at your own pace. Section 4. A recipe for success. Keiko's membership offers more than just recipes and videos. It's a complete baking resource center. One of the most valuable features is the community forum. Here, you can connect with fellow baking enthusiasts from around the world. Share your creations, ask questions, and get advice. Keiko herself participates in the forum, answering questions and offering guidance. Having a professional pâtissier at your fingertips is an invaluable resource. The forum fosters a supportive and encouraging environment where you can learn and grow as a baker. Section 5. Sweeten the deal. With Keiko's membership, you'll enjoy frequent updates that keep you ahead of the baking game. New videos and guides are added regularly, so you'll always have fresh inspiration and new techniques to try. You'll also have the ability to download all the materials, allowing you to access them offline, anytime, anywhere. And the best part, you can build your own digital library. You get instant access to the entire membership platform as soon as you register. No waiting, no delays. You can start your baking journey immediately, diving into a world of delicious possibilities. Keiko is confident that her membership will help you achieve your baking goals, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. That's why she offers a risk-free 60-day money-back guarantee. You have nothing to lose. You can try the membership with no risk and see the benefits for yourself. Section 6. Ready, set, bake. What are you waiting for? Join Keiko's online cake-making membership today and unlock a world of baking possibilities. With her expert guidance, comprehensive resources, and supportive community, you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Start your baking journey today and transform from a baking enthusiast to a true cake artist.